Are you looking for the fastest SSD for your gaming PC or creative workstation? Then stick around, because today we're checking out an SSD that plays at the very top when it comes to speed. In this video, it's all about performance, pros and cons, and whether the price is really worth it, so stay until the end. So what makes this SSD special? Let's start with the most important part, speed. The SSD reaches impressive read and write speeds. It gets close to the 7.5 GB per second mark when reading. That's extremely fast, especially if you work with large files like 4K videos or high-resolution photo sets. And it doesn't hold back when writing either. Nearly 7 GB per second are possible. But it's not just about peak numbers. Even with lots of small file access, like loading games or starting programs, it stays very fast with over 1 million IOPS during random read operations. In short, you're barely ever waiting. Samsung uses its own VNAND technology with 176 layers. That means high efficiency and durability. And yes, durability is a big plus here. With a TBW of around 1,200 terabytes, about 1.2 petabytes written on the 2 terabyte version, you're on the safe side, even with heavy daily use. The integrated controller not only provides strong performance, but also good thermal management. Many users report that the SSD stays pleasantly cool even under load. And if you use Samsung Magician, you can easily manage firmware updates and performance settings. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. This SSD isn't cheap, so if you just want to expand your game library, there are cheaper models that still offer good performance. And during very long write operations, meaning really large amounts of data, the speed drops a bit. For most people, that's hardly noticeable, but if you want maximum performance, this SSD is one of the top contenders. So if you're searching for an SSD that can pretty much do everything, from lightning fast gaming to working with huge media files, then you should take a close look at this model. You'll find the link in the video description. So, what are the pros and cons of this SSD? Pros: extremely fast, perfect for gaming and content creation. Quick access times, programs launch instantly, stays cool even under load. Easy management with Samsung software, long lifespan and warranty. Cons: more expensive than many other PCIe 4.0 SSDs. Full speed mostly noticeable with large data transfers. Sustained write performance a bit weaker than some top models. If you want maximum performance and have the budget for it, this SSD is one of the best options on the market. Check out current deals in the video description. You'll also find more information there. And don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and of course subscribe if you don't want to miss any more product reviews. See you next time.